Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black and it looks very sleek and very nice. Up front here we do have our halogen headlights right there, and they are very bright. You got the Jeep logo right there with the black grille. It looks very nice, and you do have your fog lights just down here with the red accented tow hooks. Now around the side we do have 17-inch rims with our tires are right there, the Falcon tires, and there's still lots of tread left on them. You'll be good for a while, and those rims look very cool as well with that silver and black. You got the Renegade logo there, and then you do have heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them, which is very nice as well. Coming around the back here we do have the Jeep logo, the 4x4 logo, and the Trailhawk logo all hanging out there. And as long as it is unlocked, we can just open it up. There is just a button right under here. There's a second button under there as well that will lock it. Now this guy is a carrying case if you do take the windows off, or not the windows, sorry, the sunroof windows off. You can put them in there. And you got your mats under there as well. You can lift this guy up, and your spare tire is right underneath there as well. You got a bit of storage in here. A bit more on the other side with some speakers as well if you did want it opened up, and you can lean those seats forward and you got some more storage as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and then you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Remote start is super nice, of course, especially in the winter here to get it started and heat it up for you. You also have your panic button right down there, and if it is locked and you do put your hand in there, it does have proximity keyless entry, so you don't even need to press the button or anything. There is a button there if you did want to lock it. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. Bit of that silver accenting, a handle here, some storage down here, and this red, very cool red accenting that you can see all around the vehicle. The seats are very soft as well. You got the Trailhawk logo there and some red stitching. Looks very nice. Now over here we do have the controls of our lights. We got our auto, our daytime running lights, our off, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. This guy is the turning signals. As well, you do have some controls right here over your channel up and down, as well as there is a one on the other side that is identical, and it does change the volume. On the inside now, all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. It is a little bit chilly outside, so it's a little foggy. I do apologize. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, our oil temperature, and our speedometer. We can change that guy in the middle from our speedometer to our vehicle info. We got our fuel economy, trip, we have our audio, our messages, our screen setup, settings, and then back to our speedometer. It is all controlled from your steering wheel right here. As well, you do have your call out button, your voice recognition, your hang up. Horn in the middle, cruise control options on the other side, and your windshield wiper controls right there. In the center here, you do have your touchscreen display. You do have your AM and your FM, as well as your Sirius XM. This guy does turn off the screen. This one mutes it. Then you got your radio, your media, your nav. So if you do have it on radio, you can change it to FM and AM, of course. You got your media if you have something hooked up through Bluetooth or aux cord. Then you also have your navigation. So if you hit the view map, you can see we're on Rec Place, of course. Then you got your phone options if one is hooked up through Bluetooth, or you have your apps. You can access all that stuff through there. Got your options over here in your back button, and this one is your browser. And then down here we have our heated seats and steering wheel, as well as your passenger heated seat. You have your hazard lights, and then your climate controls, heat up and down, power, circulation, AC, and then your defrost and where it's going to blow out of. Then down here you do have the controls over your 4-wheel lock and your 4-wheel low, and then you can change how it drives in the snow and the sand and the mud and all that just by turning this guy. Then you do have an aux cord here and a USB, as well as a 12-volt plug-in. This guy is your gear shift. If you shift into reverse, you do have your backup camera, which is very nice. It keeps you nice and safe. Then you do have your electronic park brake here with your traction control. And you have your, right here, you have the cup holders. And then you do have your armrest, which doubles as a storage container. You can lift that guy up. And you do got some storage in there and a USB plug-in. And then over here we do have our glove box, and it does have our owner's manual and whatnot in there as well. And then up top here you do have the controls over your sunroof and your lights. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now you do have your controls over your light or your windows here, that same silver accenting, a handle here, some storage down here, and that same red accenting. So you do have lots of room back here. It is the same as the front, very soft and very nice feel to it. This guy here is how you fold this forward, and you get that extra room here. You can fold them right down. You do also have your speakers down here, blast some music, and then you do have a plug-in just down there as well. And that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.